Hello everyone, my name is Vikas and in this video I tell you websites that helps you to build your Tailwind CSS project more faster way and more easiest way using the Tailwind CSS. So first I will tell you what Tailwind is and how to use these websites in your Tailwind CSS projects. So Tailwind is used to make your websites responsive, not just responsive. It makes a website in a easier way, you say, or in the fastest way. And it provides utility classes, which means we use classes along with HTML elements and build custom designs without writing CSS as in traditional way. So there are lots of advantage using Tailwind CSS, as you see here, utility first CSS framework. So it provide pretty much everything. Tailwind CSS is all about flexbox, and this is padding top 4, padding bottom, padding px and py. So let's take an example. Let's assume you are making or working on a project. So you need to add classes and IDs in your HTML file and use these classes in CSS. And it's like a pain that what name I write as a class if there are tons of divs in your project. So but in Tailwind you don't need silly names for CSS classes and IDs, or it decreases the lines of code you write in your CSS file. So it's mobile first approach, so makes your website responsive. You just need to apply responsive utility classes of Tailwind, and there are lots of method to put the Tailwind in your project. So go to the official Tailwind CSS website and click on the get started button. So here you find lots of ways to and the I think is a pretty easy ways. Play CDN, go to play CDN, and if you want to add Tailwind CLI post CSS, you just need to install Node and npm packages, JSON packages you need to install in your CS or VS Code. So the easiest ways to use Tailwind CSS utility classes is copy here or grab this script first and paste in your VS Code HTML file. After that you need to just copy that one script, and you also link your CSS and make whatever your custom design in your project. So it is pretty much easy. And now I move to the websites that there are lots of websites that provide free component, and you need to copy from here and paste in your file. It saves a lot of your time if you want to make your project faster. So these websites are useful, like first is Tailwind CSS. Its name is Flowbite. So it provides pretty much everything. Just go Flowbite and see there are badges, buttons, cards. Let's take example cards. So these are the buttons you could use in your project file. No need to write full CSS or HTML in your project, just need to copy and paste it in your project. So this is an example of card. Pretty much everything is here, and if you want some changes in the card, just make it and help with the help of Tailwind official docs. So this is the website, and the second is Tailblocks. Tailblocks is a I think very good platform or website. Everything is available here. These are the contact or this is a container boxes with images. Everything is here. And if you don't find here what you need, the third website is MambaUI. So MambaUI is also pretty good website with everything. You just need to, this is a preview and HTML code, you just need to copy it. And the fourth one is DaisyUI. DaisyUI also have everything. So every website is different from others. So, and the last one is TailwindUI. You can find CTA sections. pricing sections, newsletter sections, stars, everything. Just I am not I am start learning Tailwind CSS, and I find these website useful, so I just share with you guys. So